interesting to see you applying for this UK banking licence. Why do you find the UK banking market so attractive, given how competitive, how much competition there is from both the incumbent high street players and indeed plenty of startups?
Well, UK is our #1 country. It's a very profitable country for us. And then when we've done the survey and we asked our customers what would make them to put even more money through Revolut platform, it was a banking license and deposit insurance. So that was the reason why we decided to apply for banking license in UK as well.
So what are your expansion plans? I mean, how will this help you rise to another level?
Well, so far we're live in 35 countries. We're live in Europe, we're live in Switzerland, we're live in UK, US, Japan, Australia, Singapore. We are now setting up several other countries. So in Asia, we're setting up India, we're setting up Brazil, we're setting up Mexico, Korea, and few other smaller markets.
So you're clearly looking to expand in a number of locations, Nick. In terms of the UK story, though, is this the first time you've asked for this UK banking licence, and how long do you think it'll take to get that licensing?
We started conversations with the regulator about a year ago. Obviously, it took quite a lot of time to prepare a license. And then the process is that within a year, you speak with regulators, you submit policies, and then they allow you to submit officially. That's what happened with us. So we submitted just at the end of last year. And then overall, the process can take up to 2 years from now, but we hope it will be faster.
What kind of customer growth are you seeing right now, Nick? And do you expect that to be accelerated once you get a banking license?
Well, customer growth actually increased beginning of this year compared to previous year. Primary reason is rise of cryptocurrency. So we see a lot of our customers, they look to trade cryptocurrency through us, in particular Bitcoin. And then the advantage that we give to our customers is that we provide obviously interbank FX rates, plus on top of it, very transparent pricing on crypto.
Yeah, and on the crypto story, Nick, yesterday we heard from the FCA regulator in the UK. Investing in crypto takes very high risks with investors' money. If consumers invest in these types of products, they should be prepared to lose all of their money. Looking at your website this morning, it's listed in there along with other wealth management products. I wonder if perhaps it makes it too easy to get exposure to what could be quite a complex product for retail investors.
Well, basically, we obviously take a number of steps to tell customers about risks of investing in cryptocurrency. Also, we have a separate program assessing whether a customer is vulnerable or not, and then we do not allow our customers who are vulnerable to invest in cryptocurrency.
So you are then more serious about kind of know your customer or trying to protect your customer if they get involved in products that are too risky for their current level of sophistication, is what you're saying.
Yes, exactly. So if people are not experienced retail investors, right, so it is advisable to them not to invest significant portion of their wealth, right? Maybe, $1,000, $2,000 is more than enough. So I do agree that people should be prepared to lose a larger portion of their investment, given that it is a high risk asset.
Yeah. Nick, listening to what you've been saying about your expansion plans and where you already operate, where you want to get a banking licence, I wonder if Brexit makes any difference to you. You clearly have a big base here in London, but then many of these banking markets are still regulated individually, nationally, aren't they, rather than on a pan-European level. So does Brexit and a lack of provision for passporting and equivalence, does that matter to a business like Revolut?
It's definitely a huge hassle, right? Because what it means for us in terms of expansion, for every single country, we need to get either banking license or equivalent, and it takes time. So in majority of countries, banking license can take up to 3 years. So the only way for us to expand in a country is actually, well, to make a partnership with a bank, which might be faster, B, to get a banking license, or to acquire a bank, which in some cases can be also faster. As a result, expansion is pretty slow in financial services.
Nick, how difficult is it for customers to get a hold of digital assets using Revolut? Can I go on your platform to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth?
Yes, it's very easy. It's the same product as currency exchange, but instead of dollars, euros, pounds, you can buy cryptocurrency. It's very easy. It's one-click, transparent pricing. So that's the reason why a lot of people in Europe, they select actually Revolut as their crypto provider.